Kali and Max, welcome to Toronto, and I'm very sad you're leaving on November back to Philippines. In San Fernando, La Union. This is Kali and this is Max. Kali, Max. Okay. Kasalita siya. Kali and Max. We'll see you in the Philippines in years to come. We don't know when, okay? But don't worry, as soon as we have the time and money, we'll go there right away in the Philippines. So I heard you're going back July 2025 according to name mo,
Sebastian.
Sebastian. Ayan, ito. Ito po ang owner. Si Manang Minda from San Fernando, La Union. Yan, kabag.